Number 7th in our list is engineering manager. Engineering management is a career that brings together the technological problem-solving ability of engineering and the organizational, administrative, and planning abilities of management in order to oversee the operational performance of complex engineering-driven enterprises. In other words, you not only need to be a highly experienced professional, but also possess a variety of important soft skills. The salary potential in US is $1,49,000, in UK is $89,000, and in Canada is $1,09,000. If you are an engineer, you can gradually progress into this position, although you can also pursue an MBA or more specifically an MEM that will give you the right foundations to become an engineer manager. Number 6 is the CEO or the Chief Executive Officer. Now, there is a good reason why CEOs earn lucrative salaries. Their role is one that requires a diverse skill set. From leadership to communication and decision making to business management skills, it takes a lot of dedication in order to become a successful CEO. In the early 21st century, top executives typically have technical degrees in science, management, engineering, or law. The salary potential in US is $310,000, in UK is $176,000, and in Canada is $259,000. If you have got your heart set on a CEO suit job, then you need to be prepared to put in the hours. Although there are no specific educational requirements, a relevant degree or course in your chosen sector is a good start. Here comes number 5, that is dentist. With a spot in the top 5 highest earning careers, jobs in dentistry are experiencing substantial growth. A dentist advises patients on good dental care, maintains their dental hygiene, and diagnoses and treats problems. When necessary, they also carry out minor procedures. The dental team includes dental assistants, dental hygienists, dental technicians, and sometimes dental therapists. Their salary potential in US is $213,000, in UK is $98,000, and in Canada is $206,000. Once you are a qualified dentist, you can also choose to specialize in a particular field. But to start, you will need to obtain a bachelor's degree in dentistry and complete all the necessary practical training. Now comes number 4, which is orthodontist. Orthodontist is a specialty of dentistry that deals with the diagnosis, prevention, and correction of malpositioned teeth and jaws. It can also focus on modifying facial growth known as dentofacial orthopedics. Abnormal alignment of the teeth and jaws is common. They examine patients and fit them with the appropriate brushes and retainers, thus helping them adjust the structure of their teeth and jaw. The salary potential in US is $304,000, in UK is $291,000, and in Canada is $245,000. Orthodontists go through the same training procedure as dentists. They said they also need to complete a postgraduate orthodontist course after their initial dental degree. Now the third position is for the physician. A physician is a professional who practices medicine, which is concerned with promoting, maintaining, or restoring health through the study, diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment of disease, injury, and other physical and mental impairments. Physicians can be divided into 2 different categories. That is, the general practitioners and the specialist physicians. The salary potential of physician in US is $227,000, in UK is $102,000, and in Canada is $252,000. Specialist physicians, on the other hand, focus on clinical medicine and have extensive knowledge in the area they specialize in. In order to become a physician, you need to complete a medical degree and join a residency program before obtaining your physician license. It might seem like a long road, but it is undoubtedly a rewarding one. The second most paid job in our list is for surgeon. In modern medicine, a surgeon is a physician who performs surgery. Surgeons are highly regarded medical professionals. For them, a typical day at the office involves carrying out pre-operative diagnosis, performing surgical procedures, and checking in with patients post-operation. Thoracic surgeon, neurosurgeon, and orthopedic surgeon are most paid type of surgeons. Their salary potential in US is $4,96,000, in UK is $1,20,000, and in Canada is $1,80,000. In order to become a surgeon, you not only need to complete medical training to become a doctor, but also spend an additional amount of years specializing in a specific field. Number 1 in our list is undoubtedly anesthesiologist. First of all, let us know what anesthesiology is. Anesthesiology, anesthesia or anesthetics is the medical specialty concerned with the total peri-operative care of patients before, during and after surgery. It encompasses anesthesia intensive care medicine, critical emergency medicine and pain medicine. Just like surgeons, anesthesiologists are trained physicians. Their salary potential in US is $4,11,000, in UK is $1,92,000, and in Canada, their salary potential is $4,08,000. Becoming an anesthesiologist is quite a long and exhaustive process, which usually requires 12 to 13 years of medical training. It's no wonder then that they are the top earners in the world.